Okay, here is a quick tutorial on how to run your Python programs and how to add them to Quizmaster. So a few people have been making a few little mistakes here, and these are a few to avoid. So when you're running your Python program, you can save it here. So I've created a program, and in order to run this challenge1.py, running the program is really quite easy. What we do is we hold Control and click on the directory name here, and what it's done now is in the directory, this folder where challenge1 is, which is the one I'm going to run, it's opened this screen here, the directory screen, and there's our challenge1 there ready to run. And in order to run it, what we do is we open up a bash console by clicking open bash console, and we just wait until the bash console loads. At this point, you might come up with a problem where it says bash console limit reach. Let me show you that. Let me show you that happening. So if I click bash console and keep trying to do it, here you go, console limit reached. So if you do get that, oops, don't click on that. If you do get to the limit of your bash consoles, which you will do, then here it says you can kill some of your consoles on the console page. So follow the link, and then just kill these consoles here. Kill. There we go. And then just click back and keep going back. And there we go. Oops. There we go. And when you click back, it will then try and load the console again. And it will load the Python, the bash console here. So now we've got our file here and our bash console here ready to run it. In order to run it, all we do is we type in python3 space and then the name of the file, which is going to be challenge1.py, and press enter, and there you go. You can see it runs the file. Blurb, 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 and it works perfectly. It prints out all the things I wanted to print up to bronze level. So if I was happy now and I wanted to submit that assignment on Quizmaster, well, that's really easy. All we do is we go back to the file that we've made here, and we select all of it here, right click, copy, and then right click, paste. In fact, it's best if you paste as plain text. There you go. Right, that's probably the best way. Let's just delete that again. Let's show you that again. Here we go. You can do copy, but it's better if you just do paste as plain text. And that way it's least likely to come up with any problems. And then you just click save and next question. And then it moves on to the next question. So in order to do the next question here, where you've got to do all those things, again, go back to your program. And if we're creating a challenge 2 here, then click on challenges, that's a challenges folder, and you type in challenge2.py. There you go, and click new file. It won't let me create it because I've already got a challenge 2 there, but you'll be able to create it. Make sure when you're running the bash console that it's in the same folder. So here, you click on the challenges folder and then click on bash console here. You can't just click on the Mr. West folder or your main folder because it will try and run a file that's in a different folder and it just won't be able to find it. Okie dokie. If you've got any more questions, then just say, you got any more questions or issues, then just drop me an email or join my Google Meet. Thank you very much.